folks, it is time for science. This is your screencast for Wednesday, April 22nd. So, today we're kind of starting to wrap up our evolution unit with one last set of things from Actively Learn. And that is going to help us understand what speciation is and how it occurs. So there's 5 assignments from Actively Learn which are linked. We'll take a look at those. And then the other thing that I want you to do, other 2 things, sorry, is I want you to take a look at Friday's assignment, or also I'll talk through it right now, and take a look and decide what do you want to do. You have 2 options. Now, number 1 is you can play the Evolution board game. This is available on an app that you can download for free and complete the question guide that goes along with it. Or you can watch a movie which is called What Darwin Never Knew. And same deal, there's a question guide that goes along with it. We have to have some way to check that you actually did it. If you are watching the movie, since it is 2 hours long, I do recommend getting a little bit of a head start today so you can finish it and have enough time in class to kind of do the quiz and do the other things that you need to submit so you're not overwhelmed with the work. The board game takes less time, but it does have a little bit of a learning curve to it. So it's kind of up to you. Do you want to spend a little less time but have a little bit steeper learning curve, or do you just want to kind of hang back and watch a movie? All up to you. That's why there's options. And then other thing is you do need to be working on the roadmap. So let's go into Google Classroom and take a look at what this looks like. So we're going to go into classwork, and you're going to scroll down. You might have to click See More when you go into classwork because these might be hidden. You're going to take the attendance question first, and then you're going to do the Actively Learn assignments. Again, they have the direct links to Actively Learn, so you can go in, take care of them, and answer those questions as you go along. So that's Actively Learn, and then again, here is that description of choosing the assignment. The other thing I want to stress and talk about is working on that roadmap. I already have 2 turned in. That's fantastic. This is going to be due on the 24th, so you want to make sure that you get it done because it's due by the end of the week. If you haven't started yet, you might think about starting now and trying to break it up into chunks. Another thing I'll note about the assignment one more time is that you should go ahead and not do the to know and be able to explain to a friend section. So we have our vocab, we have our figures, we have our key questions, but this whole big long page, these would be great to be able to understand, but I'm not forcing you to write anything down for these. That's just too much work. You're already doing enough with online learning. So don't worry about this section. Do not do this section. Do complete the other 2 pages up here and up here, but you do not need to worry about doing page number 3, the to know and be able to explain to a friend. All right, that is it for today. As always, I'm available during our class time or during office hours and via email if you need help. Feel free to reach out. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.